Guangzhou Ehang Electronic Company Limited, founded in 2011, is a professional screen protector manufacturer which integrate research, development, production, and sale in Guangzhou. Specialized in research and development, production, and sales of mobile phone screen protector. Many of the materials import from Japan and Korea have passed REACH, RoHS tests by SGS. Besides, we have passed ISO 9001 system certification in 2014. We have a complete quality management system. We have engineering and R&D department who have long cooperation with Korean and Japan companies. The materials attain international safety testing standards, are used by Ehang from overseas. We pay attention on making research and development. After testing, we find and recommend highly that 9H flexible glass and TPU 360 full body screen protector are satisfied with customers' requirements. We release new product every week and issue over 100 different new products for our clients every year. After 8 years, we have patent reports 50 share, equipments 21 sets. We brand Best Suit, which many registered in Chinese mainland and Hong Kong. We also have professional design team who design over 300 different brand packagings for our OEM customers distributed. Professional, creative, sincerity, and win-win is our operation principle. We will continuously improve in ourselves. Ehang is glad to cooperate with you and make a glorious future together.